All right, so back here on Luciano's Mustang, they drove it home after we test drove it last week. They drove it home Saturday. They love how it drives. Its drivability, way better. So a few little things popped up. It does have a bit of a trans leak at the speedometer gear, well, the speedometer cable. It's leaking out of the cable itself. The actual sheathing of the cable, not the O-rings that go into the side of the case where the gear is, anything like that. Now, you're probably wondering, why is there a drill here? Well, when Luciano and his wife got here today, I mean, it's been hot. It's over 110. And it's October, by the way. But it's over 110. We had a little piddle of water. It wasn't overheating, but a little coolant did come out. So I said, hey, let's go ahead and put an expansion tank on the car, which is fantastic, by the way, because we buy this one. It's a Dorman tank. It's very, very low cost, and it's seriously 2 rivets, and you take the overflow hose, stick it in the bottom. I put them underneath the washer bag, so it's out of the way. It's fairly inconspicuous down there, and the lettering on the lid, it's fairly period correct, so it kind of blends in as it is. So that's ready to go. I'm going to fill this up the rest of the way back with coolant. I'm going to run the car a little bit, get a little bit of coolant in there, let it sit overnight, see where it draws it to, and then we'll go from there. And now we got the car running. You've got Luciano's wiper arm in your hand.
So
now
we're going to do
get it down.
An adjustment to where it should be.
Pop that off. Very nice. Now that's all because prior somebody had that. I'd go one more click down if you can on the spline. I'd like to see this a little more parallel to the seal of the windshield, the chrome. Scotty's on top of that. That's quick and easy. Now the arms never were moved. It's just we put the wipers on properly, and that's put them like that. So,
yep.
Scotty's on top of this. We're gonna get this handled. Yes, I'm running this to get coolant in our expansion tank. Get that handle. Put it up and let it burp and draw it back in. And what we'll do, as you guys can see, it's already kind of relocated.
Yep.
So we'll move it down a spline or two.
Yep. And
then we'll get the other side to match. And in the morning, we'll discuss this because I gotta go.
Yeah, you gotta get rid of the guy out here.
I gotta go, so we will take care of that. And look at already an improvement. We will go down, like I said, with 1 or 2 splines. Just Definitely. Get it beautiful, and we'll do that. Thank you, Scotty.
You're very welcome.